I just finished my BHM pattern, right? I am going to show you. It's over here. Hold on. This is the pattern that I made. I made Know Me 2026 by the Corny Rainbow. Once I got done with that pattern, I thought, you know what? I think I want to make another BHM pattern. And because I got done early, it only took me about a week to make that dress. And I'm like, I'll just make this other outfit that I want to make, because it was between 3 patterns. And I narrowed it down to 1. And then I was like, oh, I can make the second one. And I was like, you know what? I don't think I will. Because first of all, let's talk about New Look 6351. I have this entire pattern cut out. I have 5 of the tops, the skirt, the pants, and the jacket. Now, I was going to attend a conference last fall. So in the summertime, I cut all this stuff out. Well, it ended up that they had like a dress code. So I ended up not making what I wanted to make. I abided by the dress code. And I was like, you know what? Why would I cut something else out when I have this entire pattern cut out? Let me show you. Alrighty. So this is the rest of New Look 6351. So I have the pants cut out in this black fabric. I have the jacket cut out in the same fabric. I have 5 of the tops, like I mentioned before. This is one of the tops. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is all fabric from my own collection. And then I have a white top. What is that? And then I'm just going to grab this. Oh, and then I have this pink. I didn't have very much of this fabric, but I thought it was so pretty. And when you look at the style of this top, you really can't go wrong with several of them. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's that. And then I have, this came from Virginia's stash. This is a, some kind of knit. I'm not sure. It's kind of see-through. I don't even know if it's knit or not, to be honest with you. But I feel like she made something out of this. I think she did. And that's another one. What's that? 1, 2, 3. And then listen. Camo is all my jammo. Okay, this is the sleeve, but because camo is really a basic color in my book. And I have some of that fabric left too. I'll show you that. I have some of that fabric. I'll leave the SKU number in the description. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's 5. And then I have the skirt. The skirt, which is so easy. I think this pattern is just so easy, but it can really, you can really elevate this to a nice look, right? Since I was going to be going in the fall, this is like a corduroy kind of. It almost has a shade to it, like a dark tone, unless that's just the shade of the light. But anyway, this is what the skirt is going to look like. So it's like this taupe color skirt, a black jacket, a black pair of pants, and then 5 different color tops to coordinate, right? So that's what I'm starting today. I'm going to start with the jacket today, and hopefully I can get the jacket, the pants, and the skirt done by the end of this week, and then work on the tops next week. But we'll see. Okay. I have some other stuff cut out as well. Let me get the rest of the stuff. Okay, I might have to stand up for this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this here and then just, have it right there. Okay, so I wanted a jacket, and this is Simplicity 9239. I don't even know which, I think I cut out view B, maybe with the pockets of view C. I'm not even sure. She's wearing B. I think I cut out view B. So I had done a video once before on like 10 ways to get through sewing instructions or something. And one of the comments on the video was like, Simplicity 9239, I can't figure it out. Something about the cuff or something like that. And she was like, I really wish I could, know what was going on. And I'm like, I went and bought the pattern right away. Just so happened Simplicity was on sale at Joann's, but I never got to make it. And I always said when I made it, I would just do a video on it so that if there were any confusing parts, if I could clear them up, I would. So in any case, I decided to use a denim. And then, so I think this is either a denim. I think this is a denim I got in New York City. I'm almost sure. But it's like a dark denim, kind of stretchy, I think. Let's check the pocket. Oh yeah, so there is some stretch. I would say this is probably crosswise. If I had to guess, let me double check. Yes, it's crosswise stretch. But I wanted to accent it in some type of way. So I use this fabric. This is a cut of fabric. I think I got it from Gorgeous Fabrics or something like that, I think. And I had some of this left on the website. This might still be here. I don't think this sold out, but so that's going to be that jacket. And this is going to be so much fun. So I inherited this, I don't know what it's called, like pattern. Oh, sewing step by step. I don't know. This is a tailored shirt. Don't you love that? I love this. I think this is 1983. I don't know. MCM XCIII. MCM XCIII. See, Roman numerals. I don't know. In any case, I'm making that out of this here. And this is leftover fabric from another project that I did. I made a nice jumpsuit out of this fabric that I got in California. I got this fabric in the LA district, in the LA fashion district, and fabric district in the LA fabric district. Okay, I guess I should slow down. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna slow down. I just love this print. It's kind of autumny, fall-y, if you're into that. I wear stuff whenever I want to, pretty much, but this is so pretty. Just the colors, the richness of colors. And the jumpsuit that I made was so big, I couldn't really keep it. But I think this is some kind of crepey. Yeah, this is a crepe. It's some kind of crepe. And then this, oh my goodness, I need room right here. This is a bomber jacket. I forgot to tell my friend, she asked me about a bomber jacket recently, and I got to tell her that I have a pattern cut out already. I forgot about that. But this is also new look. I decided to sew some of these 99-cent patterns up, right? I gave some of them away too, because I bought some Know Me patterns for 50 cents, Will McCall's patterns, at Hobby Lobby recently. And I'm like, okay, these Hobby Lobbies got to go. So I got rid of some of these. But anyway, not this one. So this is new look 6545. And it is a lined, right? Is it lined? Yes, it's lined. It's a lined bomber jacket. Okay. So this is the fashion fabric. I was getting all kind of creative here. Let me tell you what. This is like a brocade, I think. You know what's interesting too is, I think technically this is the right side, but this side is just as pretty, right? I'm not sure which side I'll use yet. I probably will play with both sides, to be honest. And then I just went wild. For the lining, this is the lining. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's mine. And then I was going to try something. So tell me what you think about this, if it's going to work or not. I got this trim in Philadelphia when my son lived there, and on Fabric Row. Fleischman Fabrics, I think, is where I got this from. So, you know, it's not super stretchy. It's not a rib knit, but I thought I could use it for the collar, the sleeves, and the bottom of the jacket, and we'll see. But I think I want to do it like this. So I want it to be 2 rows of trim, which would look kind of like this. Right? And how I'm going to put this together remains to be seen. But this is the idea that I have. I think this would look good on here. It's busy, but I like it. Okay. So that's the jacket. Y'all, when I tell you this project right here, boom, 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 boom. Hey! All right. First of all, I got this fabric when Joanne was on their way out. When Joanne, they were on their way out. But when I saw it, it's also a brocade. It's like a foil type of brocade. I got one of these pins in here still. Let me take that out. Which part is this? This is the side back. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that fabric. Isn't this gorgeous? It's like a foil. I think I have a little bit of this left too. If I do, I'll let you know. I can't imagine that I did. I bought all that they had because I just loved it. But it was on sale. Wait, did I get that at the you know how they used to have those 60% what green lash hands. Maybe this was lash, I don't know, I can't remember. And then it's lined. So I wanted a brocade trench, right? And I'm like, why not? So I have in mind, I think I'm doing view C. I'm almost sure I used every bit of fabric that I could. I'm using view C, and I have a surprise. There's like a denim highlight that's going to be on here because I was cutting that fabric out. So this is going to be combined. This brocade and this denim is going to be combined together. Can you see it? Can you see it? And you know, it's been so long, I can't remember which parts of the trench is going to be denim. But this pattern right here, oh, it's Vogue 8888. It's an old pattern. It's a 2013. So this is a 2013 pattern. So that is what I have. I am going to sew all of this stuff up before I move to something else. Although I do have a collaboration coming up, and I will get to that first. So I will pause this to do that collaboration. It's a real easy top, a McCall's top that I got from the McCall's pattern sale at Hobby Lobby. And then I'll do that, and then I'll get right back to this. So I found my lane, y'all. I found my groove. So I got sidetracked. This video started out as a whole nother video, right? I'm talking about New Look 6351 and what I plan to get done this week, February 17th, 2026. What I want to get done before Saturday. And so that was my original purpose of talking about this. That was my original purpose of starting this video. But we can see it just went where it wanted to go. So I will be talking about New Look 6351 very soon. So stay tuned. And if you have not checked out my website, I invite you to do so. www.curatedfabrics.shop. Go take a peek around. I still have not have everything has not been released. I still have a couple more collections that I'm going to release. But you know, I'm doing other stuff too. So it's all working together for my good. Yeah. So I hope that all is well with you. And until next time, take care.